If modeling this staircase sounds scary to you, you might lack some basic fundamentals around 3D modeling in 3ds Max, because this is a very easy staircase model. And if you don't have any idea how to do it, I will show you exactly how in about 2 minutes. So let me just hide this and get me right here. So I will go on the front view, and simply by taking a line, I will hold down Shift and create this type of line, something like that. Now I will select the vertex, these two vertices, and I'm going to fillet them, something like that. And I am also going to fillet this one and this one just a bit. Now if I go to perspective, you can see that this should look something like that. And I'm going to apply an edit poly on top of it, and then I will apply an FFD modifier. I will go on the top viewport and I will click on control points, and I'm going to squeeze this side just a little bit. If you can see, I haven't collapsed any modifier yet, and that's because we are going to take advantage of it later. And once I have created this shape, I'm going to go on the front view and I will apply an edit poly once again, and on the hierarchy tab I'm going to click on affect pivot only. I will move this pivot where the center of my staircase is supposed to be, maybe somewhere here. Then just click off, go to modifiers, apply an array modifier, and as you can see we have this this result, which is not what we are after. So right here on distribution I'm going to select the radial. Now this would look like this because it's on the wrong axis. Now let's just increase the count until we are happy with the result. Maybe something like that. And then on the transform we are going to increase the axial, and this will create this effect. Now as you can probably see, this geometry is overlapping with each other, and that's why we actually kept all of these modifiers available, because now we can just go to the FFD and go on the top, control points, and reduce it until they do not overlap, something like that. All right, and we can also go on the edit poly. Let's turn this off so we can see the initial geometry. Go to front. I will just drag this here and this here. All right, array. And just like that, this staircase is ready. Now you can of course increase the count if you can, and have the effect you are after. Now, if you want to improve your 3D modeling skills in 3ds Max, we got an entire masterclass dedicated to that, and you can go to meshmastery.com, fill in your email, and receive free training along with other very useful 3ds Max tips and tricks.